start a YouTube channel, don't give up. It's gonna be a rocky road in the start, but you will enjoy the journey. Hi stylers, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Renee. I share all things home related. So you get DIY content, room makeover, tips, tricks, room organization, cleaning video, shopping video, anything home related. So you get content like that. But this video will be a little bit different as I am reflecting on 2022, what we have achieved, and going into 2023. Well, we are in 2023 now, what we can do better, and just to set new goals and to choose a word for the year. It's the first I'm doing something like this, so I hope you enjoy this video, and don't forget to subscribe at the end if you love content like this. So starting off with 2022, I just want to say thank you all for the support you have given me last year. I do appreciate it. Last year was a year where I decided to be consistent. So starting off the year, I set a goal that I will be posting at least 2 videos every week, and I actually did that. So some of you would have realized I work as well. I do a 9-to-5 job as a sales representative at an organization, and you know, if you're into the whole content creation, you know it's not easy working a 9-to-5 job and also creating videos. So one goal I did set is to prioritize my time, use my day off, use the afternoons or in the evening when I come home to do some of the videos. So in one day I will batch create content, so I will do about 4 videos or so in one day. So sometimes I do have content scheduled for a month in advance. So that's one goal I set, and I have achieved that goal. Also, I set a goal to achieve at least 500 subscribers last year, and I surpassed that goal as well. I actually got 600 and something subscribers, so I am sitting now at 1,680 subscribers. So thank you. Also, some of you are watching but not subscribing, and I have no problem with that, because at the end of the day, it's views that count. So one goal I set to achieve is to be monetized. So to be monetized, you have to get at least 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. Already reached the 1,000 subscribers limit. I'm at like 3,000 something watch hours, so I'm not very far away. So I have to set a goal to achieve that this year, because at the end of the day, it motivates you if you can earn while doing this. But I am doing this the slow way. I'm not doing it very fast, because what I learned is it gives you an appreciation for what you're doing. I started this channel in January 2020. I posted the first video in May, and I wasn't so consistent. So actually in April 2021, that's when I decided to be consistent. So being consistent, I see where I grow, and I just want to enjoy the journey, because enjoying the journey also gave me confidence, camera confidence. It also helps me with editing, learning new stuff. Just imagine me going viral and not knowing a lot of stuff. Yes, so I am appreciating the process, and I just want to say some sometimes things can go slow, but it will pay out at the end, and I'm looking at the end. I am not giving up. So while editing this part of the video, I realized I did not mention something and I must include it. So actually last year I also got my first sponsorship from Ahsoka Lighting, and that is to show you that even though you're not monetized for YouTube AdSense, you can also get your videos sponsored by businesses if they see your worth. So that is one goal I achieved as well that I didn't know I would. I love these type of, I love sharing videos. I love seeing the comments when you guys, like yesterday I saw a comment where somebody said they had to come back to comment because one act that I showed actually worked, and those things give me the motivation to continue. So don't forget to comment on each video if you watch, because it helps with the engagement as well, to show YouTube that people are watching my videos and just to push them out more. So one thing I invested in last year was a softbox lighting. I did actually invested in a ring light before, but when it came, that one was a bit small, so I invested in a softbox lighting because where I live, I don't get a lot of natural lighting, so I actually get a softbox to light up my videos. So that is one thing I invested in. Another thing I invested in was a wireless microphone, but that was later in the year. That was like about, I ordered the microphone in August. The shipping company I use had some issue, so I didn't get that microphone until December first week, because I was actually using, well, I said was I actually use my Samsung J7 Prime 2 to do most of my videoing, and yes, over 152 videos were done on this Samsung J7 Prime 2. So the last set of videos you are seeing in 2022 and the first two in 2023 were all filmed on this trusty Samsung J7 Prime 2. So this is one thing that I can tell you. If you want to start a YouTube channel, start with what you have. Most person always say start with what you have. But currently I'm filming on my new iPhone. It was gifted to me for my Christmas present, and I am so elated. I just need to play around it some more with my settings. But this is my trusty Samsung phone. I have it over 5 years. I take good care of it. As I said, it do all my videos. I'm going to show you exactly how I keep it. See what it look like here. So this is the phone I've been using to do all the recording. So last year as well, I post over 60 videos. I'm so elated because really sometimes I feel tired and all, and I don't really want, but I decided that I have to share a video with you guys. So last year has been a year where I learned a lot. I do a lot of research on YouTube as well. I learned my analytics. I look where persons drop off, where you don't like certain parts of the video. And going into 2023, I decide that I need to improve more on my video quality, and I'm glad that I got this iPhone X as a gift. So I'm sure you guys will be getting nice videos, nice quality videos coming in 2023, and I just want to say thank you guys for the support. I gained camera presence. So I was a bit shy before. I didn't know how to angle my camera. Sometimes in previous video, if you watch it, I might be too low or too much to the left or too much to the right. So I decided that I need to learn more camera presence, and that's just what I did. So it has been a rough year, but a nice year because I learned a lot. I just want to say thank you to a few persons that really give me that motivation. I want to say thank you to Jody the Island Girl. She was the first person that decided to collaborate with me last year as well, so that was one gain. And she surprised me with a YouTuber, Jamaican YouTuber that I love to watch as well, which is Shauna K Living. So Shauna K Living, Jody the Island Girl, I want to say thank you. And a huge shout out to Rocheline as well. Girl, big up yourself. Rocheline video called me to tell me what I can do to improve my videos. She shared my videos, And I didn't ask her, but she did. That is to show you, no matter how small you are, when other persons see you and know that you're doing what you're doing and you're being consistent, they will share you out. No, one more thing I can say is that 2022 has been a positive year for me. To I've grown so much in terms of understanding my camera presence, and I just want to say, if you want to start a YouTube channel, guys, start now. I started with my Samsung J7 Prime, and I know most of you have an higher grade phone. You can start with it. If you even have a lower phone, start with it. When you start, you will learn how to use your camera, you will learn how to use the settings. What I actually did with this phone, I downloaded an external app which is Open Camera, and that improved the quality of my video. So the camera that came with it, I did not use it. So it depends on what you guys use. So now that I have a new iPhone, I have to try understand it, work with it, and just to improve my video quality some more. And I just want to say, this has been a journey that I do enjoy. I love to see the comments. Guys, please remember, when you're watching the videos, comment. Any YouTuber videos you're watching out there, comment, subscribe. Well, just watch the videos and comment and engage with the videos. If you don't even subscribe, the views is what counts, not what pays YouTubers. So as I said, I'm not monetized as yet. That's my goal for this year, to be monetized, and I'm not far away from it based on where I'm at now. You guys just need to watch my videos. You can go back and watch my playlist as well. So that's it for this video. Start a YouTube channel. Don't give up. It's gonna be a rocky road in the start, but you will enjoy the journey. Big up yourself, Rocheline. Big up Jody. Big up Shauna K. Big up my co-worker them. Whenever I judge my video and I tell me what to do and what not to do, I do take the criticism, and I cuss them sometimes and tell them, say, because they know me, they might try, because they know me, they criticize and so, but I do appreciate you all. 2023 will be a bigger year. Remember to comment the type of videos you guys want to see, because at the end of the day, you're the ones that watching my videos, and if you don't watch them, it doesn't make sense I make them. So the word of 2023 will be evolve. I need to evolve in a lot of areas. So that is my word. And one more thing I need to do is stop complaining. I complain a lot in 2022. I need to stop complaining, appreciate what I have, because sometimes you might complain about what you have, but someone out there would appreciate what you have. But at the end of the day, stop complaining, enjoy what you have, big up on yourself, and thank you again for a good year of 2022, and 2023 will be a better year. So love you again, guys. Thank you for supporting. Thank you for the words of encouragement, and I appreciate you all. So see you on the next video.